Thanks, Chillicase. The Evergrande Group was once the most valuable real estate company in the world. Now it's facing a default crisis. The company has failed to post payments for offshore bonds in the amount of $83.5 million last Thursday. Investors worldwide are worried about a potential financial collapse on the horizon. As of last Tuesday, the company had over 2 trillion won, around $310 billion in liabilities. The Evergrande Group is a real estate developer owning just over 6 billion square feet of development land in China. Its land reserves are enough to house around 10 million people. The company was also leveraged in electric vehicles, theme parks, energy, and other investments, including Ocean Flower Island, an artificial island in the South China Sea, and the Guangzhou Football Club. Due to its size and influence in China, its collapse is considered by many to be similar to the collapse of Lehman Brothers in 2008. The stock price has capitulated 92% over the past year, plummeted 83% over the past 6 months, and is sliced in half over the past month. Already, the big three credit ratings agencies, Fitch, Moody's, and Standard & Poor's, have been downgrading Evergrande's credit rating. On the 22nd of June, Fitch downgraded Evergrande from a B+ to a B, and then again on the 28th of July to a CCC+. On the 3rd of August, Moody's downgraded Evergrande from a B2 to a Caa1. On the 5th of August, Standard & Poor's downgraded Evergrande from a B- to a CCC. Then, on the 7th of September, Fitch downgraded Evergrande further to a CC. Some of the largest funds exposed to the Evergrande collapse are the Ashmore Group, BlackRock, UBS, and HSBC. While some believe that this collapse could spell disaster for both global and Chinese markets, others are not as concerned. Chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, commented,
"In terms of the implications for us, there's not a lot of direct United States exposure. The big Chinese banks are not tremendously exposed, but that you would worry that it would affect global financial conditions through confidence channels and that kind of thing. But I wouldn't draw a parallel to the United States corporate sector."
Evergrande has a 30-day grace period to make its $83.5 million bond due last Thursday. It's been silent on the Evergrande's executives and on the Chinese government's ends. They have released statements that they will not bail out the developer and have done nothing to ease international investor fears and speculation of a looming financial crisis. Chillicase and Mariah, back to you guys.